Welcome to the latest edition of Public Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. A large meta-analysis published in the Journal of the American Heart Association has confirmed that both acute and chronic viral infections markedly raise cardiovascular risk. Reviewing over 52,000 publications from 155 studies, researchers found that influenza infection quadruples the risk of heart attack and quintuples stroke risk within 1 month. Chronic infections, such as HIV, hepatitis C, and shingles, increased long-term cardiovascular risk by 12 to 60%. These findings highlight the importance of viral prevention through vaccination and suggest the need for stronger cardiovascular monitoring after infection. A major study in the Annals of Internal Medicine examined physical activity patterns among 33,000 adults aged 40 to 79, who averaged fewer than 8,000 steps per day. The results showed that a single continuous walk lasting at least 15 minutes provided stronger heart protection and lower mortality risk than several shorter strolls. These findings reinforce the benefits of sustained physical activity for cardiovascular health. Engineers at McGill University have developed a 2.7mm flexible micro-bioprinting robot capable of repairing vocal cords with unprecedented precision. Inspired by the movement of an elephant's trunk, the device can deliver hyaluronic acid hydrogels directly to damaged vocal folds, enabling accurate tissue repair while avoiding scarring. This innovation could transform laryngeal surgery and regenerative medicine. At the University of Warwick and Monash University, scientists have identified a powerful antibiotic intermediate from Streptomyces coelicolor, named pre-methylenomycin lactone. Published in JACS, the compound demonstrated over 100 times the potency of methylenomycin A and exhibited strong activity against drug-resistant bacteria, including MRSA and VRE, with no detected resistance. This discovery could mark a major step in the search for new antibiotics. Researchers from Duke-NUS Medical School have created BrainSTEM, a single-cell atlas mapping nearly 680,000 cells from the developing human brain. The map reveals how dopaminergic neurons form and why lab-grown versions differ from natural cells. This work lays a foundation for refining Parkinson's disease therapies and improving stem cell-based treatments. A 21-year longitudinal study from the University of South Carolina involving nearly 6,000 adults has shown a striking link between oral health and stroke. Participants with both gum disease and dental cavities had nearly twice the risk of stroke compared to those with healthy teeth and gums, while gum disease alone raised risk by 44%. The findings emphasize the cardiovascular importance of maintaining oral hygiene. Results from the international SUPREMO trial, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, suggest that many breast cancer patients may not benefit from routine radiotherapy after mastectomy. The study enrolled 1,600 women across 17 countries and found no survival difference after 10 years between those who received radiotherapy and those who did not. Although radiation halved local recurrence rates, overall outcomes remained unchanged. These data may guide treatment decisions for intermediate-risk patients, while high-risk cases still require individualized assessment. Finally, a Nature study from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health has uncovered a new metabolic vulnerability in metastatic melanoma. Researchers identified the protein FSP1 as a regulator that helps tumor cells evade ferroptosis, an iron-driven form of cell death. Inhibiting FSP1 triggered ferroptosis in lymph node metastases, significantly slowing tumor growth in experimental models. The discovery opens the door to new therapeutic strategies for treatment-resistant cancers. Stay ahead in public health research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.